You open your phone just for a second. Then, boom, half an hour disappears. You're 10 layers deep into dog videos, dance trends, and conspiracy theories about your toaster. Sounds familiar? That is not an accident. Social media apps are built to hijack your brain's reward system. Every like, every scroll, every ding triggers a tiny dopamine hit. The same chemical your brain gets from sugar or gambling. It keeps you coming back. Not because you're weak, but because it's addictive by design. Your attention span is shrinking. Quick, flashy, bite-sized content trains your brain to crave speed. That's why a 10-minute video feels too long. But 101-minute videos, totally fine. This isn't just habit, it's mental conditioning. While you scroll, your brain is also comparing their perfect bodies, their perfect vacations, their perfect lives. And even though you know it's filtered, your self-worth still takes the hit. There's no end to your feed, no signal to stop. Just a never-ending loop designed to keep you hooked, while the real world waits in silence. But here's the good news. You can take your brain back. Set time limits. Turn off notifications. Put your phone in another room. Feed your mind things that matter. Little steps lead to big clarity. Your brain isn't broken. It's just being trained. Every scroll is a lesson. Every swipe is a decision. So ask yourself, what you training it to become?